welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add a point and reward system for your WooCommerce website. So when you are running a website, a store or something like that, where you can give your customers a point system or reward system. So they'll keep coming back to redeem those points and to increase your revenue. So for that, you can add this point system where a customer buys a product for like let's say 500 rupees or $30. Then they'll get $3 3 points, like for which they can use it on their purchase in the next deal. So in that way, you are asking that customer to come back and redeem those points. So it's a bonus for your website and for your store, and the revenue will be high. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do that. And before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe as we come up with videos on WooCommerce and WordPress every now and then to get your website performance up and top. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to dashboard. I'm going to install a plugin. Let's go to the plugin and add new. The plugin I'm going to use is by ETH, and it's the point and reward system, point and reward plugin. Let's search for that. And here we have ETH WooCommerce points and rewards. So I'm going to install this and activate it. So by using this plugin, you can easily manage this manage this point system. And it has a basic rewarding system where a customer buys some buy some products with some money, and that will be converted into points. So here you can see the ETH. So ETH has basically many options of order tracking system, gift reward system, and many other plugins. I'm just going to add those videos we have made on ETH plugins. You can check the I button and check for the videos. So I'm going to directly go to the points and reward system here, and here as you can see, I have a customer who has bought some products. So you can add points to them, like who have already purchased a plugin. So I mean purchased some products. So you can add whatever points you want through this gateway. So by this, the person will get some points, and it will be displayed over here, and the point history will also be there. All right, let's go back to the list. And also let's go to the settings first and see what are all the possible things. So you can enable the point and reward system from here, and also reset the points. Like if a customer has some points, and you can withdraw them after a certain period if they have not redeemed it. Yeah, you can also use that. Or if you have activated a point system during a sale, when the sale ends, you can reset that point from here. You can save changes from here. Then we have the point settings. This is a very important settings. So you can assign points for every product purchase. For example, if a man buys something for 10 rupees or 100 rupees, that person will get 1 point. So you can choose this however you want. If you want like if a person buys for 100 rupees and you're going to give him 100 points, you can also redeem that point for some rupees. For example, if I have chosen 100 points for 100 rupees, you can also conversion rate as 100 points will equal to 1 rupees at the end when they come back and buy something, right? So that's the technology. Like that's your choice how you can do that. You can either increase the value or decrease the value, and make adjustment in the conversion rate. So that's up to you, and that's up to your marketing strategy, and you can save changes from here. Then we have labels, like how the thing should be described as, like valid points, or something you can create something you can be creative about, or something like that. You can give some alternatives to the word point. Then you can save change from here. Then the message, like what's the message that the person will get when there's a cart. If you proceed to checkout, you will earn extra points. So you can choose that in this purchase. I'm going to write in this purchase you will earn such and such points. I have updated that. And also reward message on the cart checkout page. You can also use the discount in the next purchase, right? Use extra point to discount on this order. So I'm going to save the change here, right? So let's go back to the store and order some products and see how this works. So I'm going to add this t-shirt. Sorry, not that. Okay, that's out of stock. Okay, add the products. I'm adding these many products from here. Okay, I have added some products. Let's view cart, and you can see that there is like use 30 points. This is the points I have added before. Like when I started this video, I have added some product to this account's valid. So you can see that you can use the 30 points to get a 30 discount on this order, right? Also, you can in this purchase you will earn 230 points. That's also given over here, right? So you can just proceed to checkout. There is a discount. You can apply the discount here and apply discount, so that the amount will be reduced from here, right? And also that person will earn a reward of 230 points, right? Let's place this order. And once the order is placed, you can go back to the accounts, and you can see that you have the points is now visible over here. Like you have 230 points, and you can use it for your next purchase, right? So that's how this works, and that's it. That's all about today's video. You can also check out the videos that we have done for order tracking and gift system and all those things. All right, that's it. That's all about today's video. We'll see you in another video. Bye.